Hello everyone, starting this vlog at a very random time. So I'm in Safdarjung and I have not stepped out since I came back from home, Patna से वापस आने के बाद. So I just thought I would like get ready and step out for a change of scenery. And I am going to Hinoki probably to get a matcha. और उसके बाद I just feel very overstimulated because of how my hair looks. Like I don't like the whole situation. So I am planning to get kind of a haircut which will be a glow up sort of, and I'm also planning to try to get back into routine, but I will talk about that later when I get back home. And my nails have also grown pretty much, so I want to maybe remove them. So let's see how much can we do today. My hair stylist, that guy has so many appointments and all, so if he's free I'll go and get a haircut today. And yeah, but first I'll go grab a matcha because I want to, and it's been so long since I've had one. So because I prefer having drink at home, I'm in a bit of saving money mode, but today I'll get one because it is an exception. So yeah. So this is me trying oat milk matcha for the first time after hating on non-dairy milks for so long. So I just want this to be on record. So I would prefer my normal milk only because I like milk. So the matcha as usual is good. This is salt date matcha from Hinoki. Whenever you are around, just come and try it. It's very tasty. So I have left Hinoki and I'm in a photo booth in Safdarjung, and it's like this very cutesy place, has so many accessories, outfits and all of that you can put and click pictures, and I wanted to have like those card pictures since so long. So yeah, I'm just here. So I'm done clicking my pictures and हम लोग जा रहे हैं to try out this new place called Tui Mui. I hope I'm not butchering it. Toi Moi. I don't know what is it called, but it's like this Vietnamese place, and I wanted to try it since so long, so I'm just going there. Or I'm not that hungry, but I still want to try it. और हम यहाँ पे हैं, so I don't want to waste this opportunity. So I will just have one of something, I don't know. And yeah, ऐसे तो I don't like Vietnamese a lot, but then I love to try new cuisine, so here's to trying one more. सफदरजंग में इतने सारे नया दुकान खुल गए, मैं तो कोई आइडिया नहीं. Khyak. By the way, Khyak is my like favorite place to come to Safdarjung whenever I am here. I love the grilled barbecue chicken rice bowl. So try it whenever you're here. It's an honest recommendation. I just love it. वो जब ठेले पे बेचते थे तब से हम खा रहे हैं, and अब उनका 2 रेस्टोरेंट है. So like growth. Yeah. I've reached Toi Moi. I hope I'm not butchering it, but then yeah. And it was like a 6-minute walk from the main Safdarjung area, जहाँ पे La Kitchen वगैरह है, but it's not that much obviously. And the place looks super cute by the looks of it. Let's see how the food is. I will not be able to try a lot, but then 1-2 cheese to of course I'll try. And yeah, I'll let you know. I'm just panting so much because it's so humid and hot, and I don't know, everything is just stimulating me a lot. थोड़ा आज पता नहीं क्यों. Maybe my hair, I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing. और मेरा matcha अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है because I'm slow like that. By the looks of it, the Vietnamese coffee looks super good. Someone on the table beside me is having it, but then I've had my drink, so I'll not have it today. So yeah. So I've ordered a chicken banh mi, which is like a Vietnamese version of a sandwich. It has veggies, basic bread and chicken pieces, as I can see. So let's do a taste test of how it is. I've never had this before, so it's my first time, so I wouldn't be able to say or tell if it's the best banh mi, but then I can tell if it's a good sandwich or not, because I just love sandwiches. Sandwiches are literally my favorite meal to have throughout the day. A little pepper. It is good, but I think I taste a bit of peanut. I don't know. And I don't really enjoy peanuts. I don't know. The sauce has sesame or peanuts, I can't tell, but I just don't love it. But it's good. It's very fresh, like the ingredients and everything. Bread, on the other hand, is a little dry. I don't know if banh mi is supposed to be like that or what, but yeah, that's how it is. So my hairstylist was not at all free. So I am at this salon in Safdarjung क्योंकि मेरे को लगा यहीं पे हेयर कट करा लेना चाहिए. This is a salon called Zote. I don't know how to pronounce it still, but then yeah, that's the salon I'm in, and I have to wait thoda bahut because I don't have a prior appointment. So I'm just waiting for like maybe 5-10 minutes, and then someone will probably cut my hair. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Done with my haircut, and it turned out to be exactly what I asked her to. वो बहुत अच्छे से समझ गई थी, and उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा haircut करा है. I really like it अभी तक तो. And this is how it looks. मैंने short face framing layers कराया है. It's like a bob almost. Yeah, it is a bob, and I really like it. Also, this is the shortest I have ever gone with my hair, and I'm glad that I tried a new place. अचानक से हुआ. I usually don't try a lot of new places because it's hard for me to trust different places, and I'm such a चिपकू like that कि मेरे को जो एक जगह पसंद आता है हम वहीं बार बार जाते हैं. But I'm glad I tried this place, and I would definitely like to go here again. I just got back home, or I wanted to like talk about a few things, so I just thought I should talk. So the thing is, I have been into a slump, as I told you guys previously as well. So I have not been eating well, not working out, and not very productive. Like, I am the least productive in like almost a month that I have been. And मतलब I don't know, मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा है वापस आकर पटना से वापस मतलब दिल्ली आकर. So I just went out today. Like, I practically forced myself to go out, got this haircut. It did lift my mood a little, but then external things can lift your mood only till a certain point. I didn't remove my nails, by the way, because I think abhi ek week और चल जाएगा, so that's why I left it. But I really want to get back into the habits that really used to make me feel good, and I have made like a few goals. Like, I have written a few goals that I want to like inculcate very slowly. और अभी हाल फिलहाल मेरा तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं है. Like, my stomach is very weirdly off these days. Say I am planning to start working out at least 3 to 5 times a week. Walking like 10k steps जो हम कर रहे थे पहले भी, but then अभी मैंने छोड़ दिया था बीच में. With that, I also want to be eating protein, which is like a good amount of protein in my day, which is like 1 point, I don't know, I'm not sure if it's right or not, but then I just like to eat like around 100 grams per day, and it's kind of a goal that I want to hit. And then 3 liters of water. Along with that, I want to be productive, as in अभी मेरे थोड़े बहुत गोल हैं, which I wouldn't want to say it out loud, but then मेरे को वो काम करना ही करना है. Every day I want to do it. घर जाने के बाद पता नहीं सब कुछ आलस आलस सा आने लग जाता है मेरे को, and I just forget the whole rhythm of, you know, being on your own and doing things a certain way. So maybe that's why, but I'm trying to change it a little by little, and I hope that एक week बाद when I come back and talk, I could talk about the fact that I have already made a discipline for myself, and like those things are my habits for a daily basis, और मेरे को ना करने के बाद दुख हो. कोर्स आई एम नॉट बीटिंग माई सेल्फ अप अबाउट दोज थिंग्स, क्योंकि अगर हम जिम नहीं भी जा रहे हैं तो मेरे को थोड़ा तो ख़राब लग रहा है मेरे को. आई एम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड माई हैबिट्स अगेन ऑफ डूइंग एवरी थिंग द वे आई लाइक टू एंड द वे आई एक्चुअली वुड वॉन्ट टू, सो दैट इट मेक्स मी फील गुड. क्योंकि इट्स अ डोमिनो इफेक्ट. आई फील लाइक अगर तुम एक चीज़ अच्छा करते हो तो पूरा दिन उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही अरेंज हो जाता है. सो या आई विल जस्ट मेक अ शेड्यूल ऑफ वन थिंग एंड मैं उसका शेड्यूल बनाऊंगी रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द टाइमिंग, या तो सुबह या रात में कर लो, एंड उसके अराउंड बाकी चीज़ें अपने आप फॉल इनटू प्लेस कर जाती है. एटलीस्ट दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स फॉर मी. सो या इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ ग्लो अप अगेन, बट लाइक नॉट जस्ट ऊपर से, ऑल्सो एन इंटरनल ग्लो अप. और हम रील चलाना कभी कम करना चाहते हैं. लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू like I don't know reduce my screen time, but that's another topic to talk about. See kal se I'm able to do all of the things that I want to do or not, and of course I'll update you. And if you could take even a single thing out of this video, that would be really that would make me feel really good. And I just wanted to say that a slump like this is just very normal in anyone's life, but what you should not do is beat yourself up about it and try to get back to your routine. Like अगर 3 दिन नहीं हुआ, 4 दिन नहीं हुआ, तो ये मत सोचो कि अब तो 6-7 दिन नहीं होगा, लाइक नहीं करना है. एंड आई एम द वर्स्ट पर्सन टू गिव दिस एडवाइस, बट मैं खुद पे भी वही अप्लाई कर रही हूँ अभी. सो जस्ट थिंक दैट आई वॉन्ट टू गेट बैक टू इट एंड ट्राई एज मच एज यू कैन. इवन अगर एक चीज़ तुम उस दिन कर लिया तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इनफ, एंड लाइक बी प्राउड ऑफ दैट. सो या दैट्स इट. बाय, गुड नाइट.